Here's just a quick example of how I can use the feature of converting free or handwritten text into computer text. So let's say you do an activity with some sort of a mind map on the screen, and I've got that little GIF animation of the two orcas spinning, and you want to discuss the words which relate to the picture and have the kids come and write them on the screen. So you pick up the normal pen, and let's say I want to write here orca. Again, I'm writing it on the screen using the mouse. It's a bit challenging, but there we go. Here's orca. Once you wrote down, a child wrote down the word, you can then pick up the select tool and go to the triangle, and it recognizes orca. And then it's much easier for other children to see what's written there. You can very quickly make it easier. This feature will also work on full screen. So I'm going to go back to the pens, not the select tool. So let's just choose a different color pen. And a child wants to say that this reminds them of flippers. There we go, we wrote it down. Go back to the more options. Here's the select tool. I'm going to select the word, go to the triangle, and flippers. It's a bit big, but I can, from the corner, drag it, make it. There you go. So basically it just makes things much readable after the pupils have written on the board. You can do the same for deep. Works pretty well. And I'm sure there's plenty opportunity where this wonderful tool will be very handy in the classroom when you call children to write on the interactive smartboard.